Well, hello there, folks. This is DJ Burgstarre here, coming back with another tip of the day. So today, I want to talk about expanded views. So there's a couple items in Ableton Live that you can use an expanded view to see a lot more detail and a lot larger. So it can really help you understand and help you edit your patch. Now, what I have here is I threw on a Wavetable instrument on this first MIDI track, and I just threw in a simple sequence. Let's hear what that sounds like. That's great. So I have all of my controls here, and I can edit here just fine. However, if I really want to see what's happening, I click on this little arrow on the left here, and when I do that, wow, look at that. So now I've got this huge expanded view of this instrument. Let's play that. So now I can come in here and maybe modify this the way I want it. So that's a way to expand this view of this instrument, where you can really see what's going on with all of your LFOs and envelopes and the type of wavetable you're using. And it's a really great way of looking at this instrument. And you just click on this little arrow to get rid of that. You can also resize it. So let's say it was a bit too much, taking up your whole screen here. Well, I can lower that a bit so I can still see some of my clips here that I can trigger, so I'm not restricted there and able to kind of control which scene I might want to play. So it's nice to be able to resize this as well. So that's the Wavetable instrument. Now, the other thing I like to use on, I'd say 95 to 99% of every track, I'm going to have an EQ on it. So when I throw in my EQ, there it is. And sometimes you really want to hone in on one tiny frequency and be really detailed view on this when you're working with your EQ. Let's listen to this. So I can work with my EQ here in this view. However, it's really hard to, really hone in on exactly, the edit you want to do here and removing or adding some frequencies. So again, you hit the expanded view and look at that. I get a huge representation of this little window I had down here. So again, let's hit play here. So look at how huge this window is. It can take up your whole screen, which is great. And again, I can resize it or get it out of the way a little bit if I want to be using some of these controls at the same time. So this expanded view for your EQ is critical. When you're mixing and mastering, you're really going to need to hone in on some real detailed EQs here. And it's great to have this expanded view. So that's my tip of the day on both of these items, to be able to use their expanded views. So hopefully that helps you out. And thank you for watching, and I will talk to you next time. DJ Burgstarre out.